Hello everyone. Welcome to the next lecture. RTK versus PPK for high accuracy surveys. In professional drone surveying, achieving high positional accuracy is extremely important. While standard drone GPS provides basic positioning, it usually has an accuracy of only a few meters, which may not precise enough for engineering or surveying projects. To solve this problem, modern survey drones use advanced positioning technologies called RTK and PPK. Both technologies significantly improve GPS accuracy and allow drone surveys to achieve centimeter level precision. Let's start with RTK, which stands for Real Time Kinematic. RTK works by using a base station placed on the ground along with the drone's onboard GPS receiver. The base station is positioned at a location with known coordinates and continuously sends correction data to the drone while it is flying. These correction signals help the drone adjust its GPS calculations in real time. As a result, the drone records extremely accurate positioning data for every image it captures during the flight. Because the corrections happen immediately, the images are already highly accurate when they are saved. One advantage of RTK is that it allows surveyors to achieve high accuracy without placing many ground control points across the site. This can save significant time during field operations. However, RTK does require a stable communication link between the base station and the drone. If the signal connection is interrupted, the positioning accuracy may be affected. Now let's talk about PPK, which stands for Post Processed Kinematic. PPK works in a similar way to RTK, but the key difference is when the GPS corrections are applied. Instead of applying corrections during the flight, PPK stores the raw GPS data collected by both the drone and the base station after the flight is complete. Specialized software processes this data and applies the correction. Because the correction happens after the mission, PPK does not require a constant communication link between the drone and the base station. This makes PPK particularly useful in areas where radio signal connections may be unstable, such as mountainous regions or remote locations. Another advantage of PPK is that it allows surveyors to review and refine the positioning data during processing, which can sometimes produce very reliable results. So, which system is better? Both RTK and PPK provide highly accurate positioning, but they are suited for slightly different workflows. RTK is often preferred when surveyors want real time accuracy and faster processing, while PPK is useful when signal reliability may be a concern or when additional post processing control is desired. In many modern drone surveying workflows, RTK and PPK are used alongside ground control points to achieve the highest level of accuracy. Understanding these positioning technologies is essential for producing professional grade drone survey results. In the next lecture, we will move into the operational phase of drone surveying and explore how to conduct a professional survey flight and capture high quality aerial data. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.